In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the downstream O2 sensor on this Chevy Trax. This is going to be located underneath the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this shield, use a 10mm socket. Take these front screws out. In the back, we're going to use a T20 socket. Take these screws out. And using a trim tool or trim tool pliers, take these push pins out. Take those out. And grab this shield and pull it out. I'm going to reach up and disconnect the connector for the O2 sensor. You can see where the connector is right there. I'm just going to have to go around it. Go around the pipe. Push down on the tab. And disconnect that. Just push down on that tab. That lifts up. Then disconnect that. And using a O2 sensor socket, this is a 7/8 or a 22mm with a slice in it. Slide it over the O2 sensor and loosen it up. And take the O2 sensor out, get the O2 sensor started. Now we're going to torque this to 31 foot-pounds. There we go. Take the connector, line this up. All right, here we go. Take this shield, slide it back in place. Get the push pins lined up. Lock those down. There's another one back here. Should be another one there. And screw these screws in. And put these bolts in and tighten them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.